FortiGate. Port 2. Port 2 has two sub-interfaces, VLAN 10 and VLAN 20. Next, I allow these two VLANs to connect to each other. Create new VLAN 10 to VLAN 20. Name VLAN 20. Incoming interface VLAN 10. Outgoing interface VLAN 20. Source all. Destination all. Service all. Action accept. Completed to allow VLAN 10 to access VLAN 20. OK. You do the same to allow VLAN 20 to access VLAN 10. The above is how to allow VLAN connections on FortiGate. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. VLAN 20 to VLAN 10. Incoming interface VLAN 20. Outgoing interface VLAN 10. All. Service all. Accept. Completed to allow VLAN 20 accesses to VLAN 10.